Cancun is the beach, right? That's very popular here.
Okay,
Mhm.
quite
Yes,
touristic place.
yes, it is a touristic place.
Okay,
Exactly.
and
Yeah.
what and which food will be the best recommendation?
Well, I like I said, tacos or I
Tacos
don't
is
know.
the food.
Yes, tacos is the food. Cancun is
Uh,
the place.
okay, okay. I thought tacos is also the beach place.
No, no.
Uh,
There's others. There's like for places. There's Tulum, which is a lot more in the south of the country. It's a very interesting
it's
beach
Tulum.
as well.
Tulum.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, it's nice. Maybe you can look for some pictures about
And
it.
uh,
Uh,
and which food is favorite one for Karen?
Can you say that again? I'm sorry.
I said, which food does Karen like the most?
Ah, for me, oh, that's difficult. There is a traditional food here for
Hmm.
like winter time mostly. We call it tamales. Tamales. I will
Okay,
write it.
okay, right.
Mm,
Tamales.
yes,
Okay, is it
yes.
made of vegetables?
It can have vegetables. Yes, it's kind of like a dumpling. I would describe it as because it has the dough, and then you put the food inside. It can be vegetables. It can be,
Oh,
beef or like some sort of dish that you made, and then you steam it. You wrap it in leaves, and then you steam it.
it's kind of
Mm,
dumpling, right?
yes, kind of
Mm.
like this.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
and
for
uh
omnivorous food. It's both veg and non-veg,
mm,
and yeah, because this is for omnivorous people who eat both veg or non-veg.
mm, right, it can be.
Yeah, because
Yes,
as you said that it is also stuffed with meat inside.
it it depends on how you like it. Some people like that, and they stuff it with other things. There's people that stuff it with
Okay, so if
potatoes and
if
like
I say
vegetables.
okay, so if I say they can customize according to me,
No,
no?
because it's how can I explain it? It takes a long time to make, and most
Oh,
people like beef, you know?
okay,
Like this will take, I don't know, maybe like 5 hours to make. So
okay,
maybe if you ask before, like days before, maybe they can make it for you.
okay.
Mm.
So for vegetarians, there's no chance to customize.
No, they can cook it at home and then they can make it their own or, order a couple of days before, maybe.
Yeah,
Yes. Why, are you a
it's good.
vegetarian?
It's good. Mostly, not
Oh, okay.
completely, but mostly
Okay.
vegetarian. Because here in India, you have how to say thousands of options for foods. Thousands
Okay.
of options. If you are vegetarian, there are a lot of types of vegetarian foods. Okay,
Mm,
and
okay.
if you are yes, and if you are carnivorous, non-vegetarian, there's also a lot of options for you. So no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
And for me, I prefer mostly I prefer to have vegetarian food. Okay.
Vegetables. Okay.
Yes. For I mean vegetables.
Okay.
Just yeah.
Mm,
Once in a quarter or in a semester, I just like to have it.
okay.
And right
Nice.
now here, the place where I am, I mean in this state, uh, you can get coconut water. Okay,
Mm,
coconut water. Yes, it's cheap
yeah.
here. It's cheap here, and you
Okay.
can enjoy the more you want, as much as you
Ah,
want.
that's much. Okay,
Yeah.
that sounds good. All right then. Yes, and what about? Oh, sorry, were you going to say something?
Say again, please.
Oh,
I didn't
okay.
get you.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, so what foods are popular in India?
Okay, so it